Okay, so December's almost here, and I bet a lot of you out there are wondering where to park your crypto right
You're
now.
looking for those coins that might just take off.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we found this article that's got everyone buzzing.
Oh, do tell.
It's called, and get this, Aralık ayının en acı kripto sesimleri. Sesi zengin edebilecek 8 kripto para.
Okay, so that translates to December's top crypto picks. 8 cryptos that could make you rich.
Yeah. So naturally, we had to deep dive into this and see, what's the real deal? What are these coins all about?
Well, let's get to it. Spill the beans. What did they pick?
All right, so first up, we've got not one, but 2 meme coins on this list.
Meme coins. Still going strong, huh?
Apparently. We've got Crypto All-Stars, that's stars, and Wall Street Pepe, WEPE. But they're each taking a kind of different approach to the whole meme coin thing.
Different how?
Well, stars, they're trying to be, useful, They've got this platform called Meme Vault.
Meme vault.
Yeah. Basically, you can buy and sell all kinds of meme coins there.
Makes sense. Kind of streamlines the whole meme coin chaos.
Right. And on top of that, they've got staking rewards. You can earn, get this, 175% APY just for holding stars.
Whoa. 175%. That's a lot.
Right. Now, WEEP, they're all about community, calling themselves the Frog Army.
I've seen that around.
Yeah, they're really attracting those smaller investors. Plus, they've even gotten some attention from, who else? Elon Musk.
Yes. The Musk effect. Always
Yeah.
stirs things up.
Totally. So stars is trading at about 0.0006782, and WEEP's at 0.003634.
Meme coins, they can be tempting with all the hype and those crazy price swings.
Yeah, everyone wants to get in on the next big thing.
Right. But it's important to remember they're super volatile. It's a gamble.
Totally agree. Definitely not financial advice, people.
Not at all. Always do your research. Understand the risks.
Okay, so moving on from the meme coin world, the article also highlights a play-to-earn game, Cat Slap or Sell AP.
Play turn. That's a whole other beast, isn't it?
It really is. And this one's got a unique twist. They call it Slap to Earn.
Wait, slap to earn. What's that?
Basically, you earn Sell AP tokens by playing these, competitive slapping contests within the game.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's different.
Right. And get this, the top players can win a share of a $100,000 prize pool.
100,000. Wow. That's a pretty big incentive to get slapping.
Yeah. And they say it's already seen over 4,000% growth since it launched.
4,000%. That's massive.
It is. Right now, Sell AP is sitting at 0.000679474.
Gotta say, those numbers are tempting. But, play to earn. It's still a relatively new space.
True.
There are definitely questions about sustainability. Can they keep the players engaged? Will the token hold its value?
All good points. So maybe not a guaranteed win, but definitely something to keep an eye on. Now let's talk about a couple of more, I guess you could say, established projects. AAVE, AAV, and Chainlink, LevEK.
Ah, yeah. These are big players in the crypto world. Been around for a while.
Right. AAVE is all about decentralized lending, kind of like a bank, but run by code. And Chainlink, they provide reliable data to smart contracts.
Yeah, like bridging the real world with the blockchain. Both really solid projects.
Definitely. And there's this interesting rumor going around.
Yeah.
It's about Trump's crypto company, World Liberty Financial. Apparently, they're sniffing around both AAVE and Chainlink.
Interesting. I hadn't heard that.
Yeah. Some are saying they might be putting $1 million into AAVE.
$1 million. Wow. That would definitely turn some heads.
It already has. Rumor has it. That's what caused AAVE's price to jump up 40%. And Chainlink saw a 20% bump, too.
Huh. Well, rumors are just rumors, but it does make sense that institutional investors would be looking at these kinds of projects.
Yeah, I mean, they're more established, right?
Exactly. They offer more stability, maybe less of that meme coin roller coaster ride.
Makes sense. All right, next up, we've got an exchange that's been absolutely killing it. BitGet, with its token BGB.
BitGet. I've heard good things.
Yeah, the article highlighted their growth. They're up 34% just in the last week.
Wow, that's impressive.
And get this, for the entire year, they're up 550%.
550%. That's insane.
I know, right? Right now, BGB is at $3.17, but some are predicting it could reach $5 to $10 by the end of the year.
Exchange tokens can definitely see those kinds of gains, especially when the platform's doing well.
Yeah, it's all about trading volume, good features, attracting those users.
Exactly. But as always, gotta remember past performance isn't a guarantee.
Right. Always good to keep that in mind. Now, I found this last part of the article really interesting. They talked about a few different investment strategies.
Oh, like what?
Well, one thing they mentioned is like getting in early on coins that are still in pre-sale.
Ah, the pre-sale game. High risk, high reward.
Right. They specifically mentioned flockers or 5LOCK. The idea is you get in at a lower price before it hits the big exchanges.
True, you can potentially see some big gains, but there's also a lot less information available during pre-sale.
Yeah, definitely a gamble.
You're really betting on the team and their vision. Do your research.
Absolutely. Another thing they mentioned is staking.
Staping, yeah. Especially with those holiday bonuses some platforms offer.
Exactly. Like Best Wallet Token, Bestos. They're offering a 671% APY right now.
671%. Okay, that is tempting. But again, you got to be careful.
Right. What's the catch?
Well, those super high APYs, they often come with higher risk.
Makes sense. Not all that glitters is gold and all that.
Exactly. And finally, they mentioned keeping an eye on new launches, especially those with a lot of buzz around them.
Like stars.
Exactly. They can pump really quickly, but they can also crash just as fast.
So, high risk, high reward, yet again.
Pretty much, that's the crypto world for you.
So there you have it. 8 cryptos to watch this December. Meme coins, play to earn, established projects, and even a rising exchange.
It's a wild world out there.
It really is. Thanks for taking this deep dive with us. We hope you found it informative.
And remember, this is just a starting point.
Right. Do your own research, and as always, invest responsibly. Let us know what other crypto mysteries you want us to unravel. Until next time, happy investing.
Stay informed out there.